You head out of the car, press the button to open the door, and nothing happens. No cheery chirp or comforting click to tell you the door's unlocked.
You check if the little light flickers on the fob, indicating some action. This is what you should see, but on this occasion, nothing.
It looks like your key fob has a flat battery, but don't panic. In most cases, the battery is pretty easy to change.
If the fob has a hidden key like this one, simply push the release button to slide the key out a short way, then use it to open the case. And there's the battery. You might need a little screwdriver to gently lift the battery out. And check the model number for replacement. Fitting the new battery is the same process but in reverse, gently squeezing the case closed. With this fob, press the button to release the key, then use it in the slot provided to gently open the case. Again, you'll likely need a small screwdriver to free it. Gently replace the battery and squeeze the fob closed. Replace the key in the case and you're done. If there's no key at all, look for a spot where you can open the case with a flat-bladed object. Bingo, there's the battery. With this fob, you can simply slide the battery out. There are many different styles of key fob, so it's important to find how the battery's changed in yours.
Keep a replacement battery or two on hand to save you a trip to the shops. And if you don't feel comfortable doing the job yourself, RAA Road Service Patrols carry batteries to suit most fobs, so you'll be back on the road in no time.